So if for any reason you want to delete your Facebook page, then in this video I am going to be showing you and walking you through on how you'll be able to delete your Facebook page. You might want to delete your Facebook page maybe because you have made a lot of mistakes, you have gotten a lot of restrictions and strikes, and you just feel you want to delete the page and create new one, then start all over so that you don't have issues during your monetization process. So whatever your reasons might be, just follow me closely and I will walk you through on how you'll be able to delete your page successfully without affecting any other components of your Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see this kind of video in the future. Let's move into the action. Alright, so to delete your Facebook page for any reason at all that you want to delete your page. Alright, let's say you want to delete your page because you have made a whole lot of mistakes on your page and you don't want to continue with that page, and you want to delete the page and create another one so that there will not be complications, and when people see, and you still want to use the same name. Alright, so that when people search they are going to see only that one name and not different names. Okay, so to delete your page, all you want to do is to go to your Facebook page. Alright, let's go there. Just come to your Facebook app first. Click on your Facebook app. So when you come to your Facebook app, it's going to bring you directly to your Facebook. So I'll simply go, you come to this place, all right, this is a different page, so click on that place. I'll click on it, so it will bring me to this interface. All right, the next thing I want to do is to switch on to the next to the page that I want to delete. I will simply switch to the page that I want to delete. All right, let's come to this place and select the page you want to delete. All right, when I come here, I want to select the particular page that I want to select. For instance, I want to select this page. All right, I want to select this page. You can see switching on. All right, so just switch to the page you want to delete. All right, hope that is clear. After that, you come to this place again. You come to this place. All right, click on it. Once you click on it, now you are now interacting with this page. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to come to your settings. Come to these settings. All right, when you come to this setting, you click on it. So when you click on it, you click page settings. Click on page settings. All right, so when you come to page settings, you are going to see different things here. All right, there is no place where they wrote delete. All of these settings, there is no place for delete, meaning they don't actually want you to delete their page. All right, but I'm going to still show you how you'll be able to delete it. There is no option for delete. All right, but what you are going to do is to come to this search bar. All right, come to this place, come to this search bar and come to that place, then you type just type delete. All right, type delete. All right, you are going to see delete blueprint 1 page and information. So if you delete it, everything, both the information will be off. You click on it. So when you click on it, you are going to see two options. Number 1 is deactivate page and number 2 is delete page. Let's read what they said. It said if you want to take a break from Facebook, you can deactivate your page. If you want to permanently delete your Facebook page, let us know. Is that okay? Number 1. Then number 2, you say deactivate page. It say page will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have shared. Is that okay? Then number 2, it said delete page. Deleting your page is permanent. When you delete your page, your Facebook page, when you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you have shared on Facebook. Your messenger and all your messages will be deleted. Is that okay? So you want to delete your page, you simply click on it, then you choose from here. All right, instead of choosing here is for deactivation. If you deactivate, it means your Facebook will go on hold for some time, but now we are selecting this particular one. We want to delete, right? All right, so click on it, click on delete page. So when you select delete page, you select continue. So when you come here, you say before you delete, we may be able to help you. So they are giving you suggestions on on reasons why you should not delete your page. All right, okay, so we are sorry to see you leave. We would love to know why you are deleting the page, as we may be able to help with common issues. You can also just continue to delete. All right, so if you still insist to go ahead and delete your page, then you click on continue. So but these things are the reasons what they are asking you, why you want to delete your page. All right, are you deleting because I spend too much time on Facebook? Are you deleting it because you spend too much time on Facebook? Are you deleting it because you have a private concern that you don't want to share, or you don't feel safe on Facebook, or your account was hacked, or you no longer find Facebook useful? Any of these. But if you just want to delete anyway, you can click on continue. All right, I'll click on continue. When you click on continue, they are still going to bring all of this right up for you to go through them, telling you that if you delete, everything you have is gone. All right, you click on continue. All right, now it brings me here. So it brings me here to be able to delete my page. All right, so once you come here, what you want to do is just to input your password. Input your Facebook password, not your, of course, your normal Facebook account. Input the password here. All right, once you input the password here, your page will be deleted from Facebook. Hope you understand that. Just input your password and your page will be permanently deleted from Facebook. Is that okay? So I'm not going to do that right now because I don't want to delete the page. All right, so just input your password. After inputting your password, you click on continue, and your page will be deleted. Is that okay? Thank you. If this video was you find this video helpful, kindly click on the like button, like the video, and then if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel. You can share the video to people that also need the video so that they can learn. If you need more information, you can drop that at the comment section, or you send me a WhatsApp message through the phone number that is now showing on your screen, or you check the comment section for the WhatsApp number, or you can check the description for more information. If you want to monetize your page, so if you want to get your 60,000 watch time on Facebook page for your monetization and 10,000 followers, kindly send me a WhatsApp message and I'll help you out on that. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.